never catch him while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
So I will start with this very one. Is 20 inches long. The length is 20 inches. And this is one bundle. Alright. I don't have a stand. The stand I was thinking I can use for the hair, but it's a disappointment. This hole, can you see the hole down here? My stand is bigger. The mouth of the stand is bigger, and this hole is very tiny. So that is the reason why you can see I'm just placing it on my lap. Place it on my lap. Next time I will try and get a mannequin head stand, because this one is somehow stressful. Alright, we are still on it. I'm still using one bundle since. What if I tell you this is the first time I'm actually installing a bundle hair? All my wigs are already made. They are already made. You see, this one bundle. We still have 2 bundles left. So I think I'm loving it already. Because sometimes after buying a wig, already made wig, I'll end up buying extra bundle to make it fuller. So let's see how it goes. Right? I'm still on it. I forgot to show the needle I'm using. So I'm using the C needle. Some people don't like this C needle, they prefer the other straight one. I can use the both, the straight one and this curve one. Yeah, I can use the both. Alright guys, so I've just started the second bundle. So the second bundle. Okay, keep on watching, we are still on it. So guys, I will start with the third bundle. Okay, we are almost done. Right, finally, I'm done sewing the hair. Alright, we are going to be trying it on. So I'm going to be cutting the net here for the closure. Now I will also cut the excess lace net for the closure. guys, as you can see, I'm done with the hair, right? Alright guys, as you can see, I'm done installing the hair, and here is the outcome. So I hope I tried. It's actually my first time of installing a bundle hair with a closure. Here is the outcome, and it's 20 inches long and the closure is 18 inches long. Alright guys, thank you all for watching, and if you have learned one or two things in this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe and click on the notification bell on whenever I upload a new video. You will be first to notify. Alright, to all my cuties family subscribers, thank you all and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.